When you take the first step, the world begins to respond.
Beyond the map lies your journey.
Solid as a rock, high quality and durable. 5 ATM water resistance. Fearless of deep dives and waves, diving deep into the ocean is a response to courage. Altitude and air pressure monitoring, sensing every change in the environment between you and nature. Accurate offline map navigation. Every step remains clear, with real-time tracking and accurate backtracking. Real-time navigation guides you and generates tracks and return routes for safe and focused exercise. Exploration is not just about going further. It's about understanding what lies ahead. The all-new TAC T5 outdoor smartwatch is designed for exploration. KKTICK.